When we talk about billionaire secrets, we're referring to the unique habits and practices followed by the world's wealthiest individuals. These billionaires have amassed their fortunes by adhering to certain principles, and gaining insight into their methods can help you achieve success in your own life. It's important to note that billionaires are not born with extraordinary talents or abilities. Instead, they invest the time and effort required to excel in their respective fields. In this video, we'll be uncovering the billionaire secrets, how to build and sustain wealth. Our aim is to provide you with a concise and engaging overview of these secrets, so you can learn from the best and apply these strategies to your own financial journey. Welcome to Moving Up Wealthy, your partner in the journey towards wealth and success. Creating value. One of the crucial aspects of building and sustaining wealth is the concept of creating value. But what does creating value mean? Simply put, it's when your actions or products enhance other people's lives in a meaningful way. For instance, if you were to develop a new technology that facilitates seamless communication without direct interaction, like FaceTime, you'd be creating value for everyone who utilizes that technology. Another perspective on value creation is this: if someone else can perform your job better than you and earn more, there's likely room for improvement in how well compensated they are compared to their output. This implies that there's still potential for growth and value creation. By focusing on creating value in your endeavors, you'll be on the path to building and sustaining wealth like the billionaires we admire. Investing wisely. Investing wisely is a crucial aspect of building and sustaining wealth. It's not just about picking stocks or mutual funds with high returns, but having a strategic approach tailored to your unique goals and needs. There is no one size fits all investment strategy, but some general principles can help you invest wisely and build wealth over time. One essential principle is diversification. By investing in various asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can reduce risk, protect your wealth from market fluctuations, and generate steady returns over time. Billionaires excel at identifying investment opportunities others may overlook. They have a deep understanding of the markets and can spot trends in emerging industries before they become mainstream, allowing them to capitalize on these opportunities and generate higher returns. Another key principle is having a long-term focus. Billionaires know that building wealth takes time and patience. They ride out short-term market fluctuations and remain focused on their long-term goals. By sticking to a clear investment strategy, they make informed decisions that generate steady returns over time. Lastly, some billionaires invest in themselves by starting businesses or acquiring companies outright. This enables them to profit from their ideas and retain those profits instead of losing them to taxes. They can shape their financial futures and create wealth on their terms. Prioritizing personal development. A common thread among billionaires is their emphasis on personal development. They understand that constant learning and self-improvement are vital for success. Wealth doesn't come to those who sit back and wait. It requires hard work, dedication, and a focus on bettering oneself. Personal development isn't limited to reading books or attending seminars. It's about taking action on the knowledge you gain from these sources. If a book teaches you something new about investing or marketing, apply those principles in your own life. If everyone else is aware of a concept but hasn't applied it to their lives, opportunities arise for those willing to take risks now, rather than later when everyone else catches up or forgets about it. Embrace personal development as a cornerstone of your journey to building and sustaining wealth. Learn from the best, take action, and stay ahead of the curve to unlock your potential for success. Giving back to society. One of the most important things you can do with your wealth is giving back to society. It's not just about helping others. It's also about being a good role model and setting an example for others to follow. Billionaires understand this and use their money to positively impact the world around them. They give generously to charity, support causes they believe in, and help those in need through financial assistance or simple acts of kindness. Examples of billionaires who have made giving back part of their lives include Bill Gates, who has donated over $30 billion through his foundation, and Warren Buffett, who has pledged billions towards improving education standards across America. Building wealth. To build wealth, start by understanding finance and investing basics, creating and sticking to a budget, and focusing on increasing your income. Invest your money wisely by diversifying your investments across different asset classes and taking calculated risks while staying disciplined in your investment strategy. Prioritize personal development by investing in yourself through education, training, and networking to increase your earning potential and create more opportunities. Sustaining wealth. Sustaining wealth requires maintaining financial stability over the long term, which involves creating a stable income stream and managing expenses. Manage your investments wisely by monitoring your portfolio, adjusting your strategy as needed, minimizing tax obligations, and protecting your savings from risks such as inflation or market fluctuations. Lastly, give back to society by supporting causes you believe in and making a positive impact on the world around you. This creates a legacy that will last for generations. The bottom line: you now know the secrets to building and sustaining wealth. By understanding finance and investing basics, prioritizing personal development, and giving back to society, you can create a lasting legacy and positively impact the world around you. Start applying these principles for financial freedom today and embark on your journey towards greater wealth and success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our amazing community and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more great content. Visit our website at movingupwealthy.com and check out our suggested videos. We'll see you in the next video.